log out of only one Instagram account at a time. So if you want to log out of a particular account, then this video is for you. Before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It will help out a lot. On that note, let's dive in. You want to log out of this particular account. I'm going to show you. First, tap on your profile. Once you have on your profile, you're right here and you can see there is an option for this hamburger menu at the top right. Just tap on it. Once you are on your settings and privacy, you can scroll all the way down right at the bottom, and there you can see two options: log out and log out of all accounts. If you have multiple accounts logged into your Instagram, the last option will show up. If not, only the first option will show up, that is log out. So if you just tap on log out, you will be logged out of this particular account, and if you tap on the second option, you will be logged out of all of your accounts from Instagram. So if you just want to log out from this account, just tap here and you should be logged out of your account. I hope this video was helpful to you. I'll see you guys on the next one.